Hey guys, Bad Gaming here, and today I'm gonna be doing a review of this new vacuum that I bought. So this is my second Christmas gift of this one. My second Christmas gift. This is the Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewind. And I never had or used this machine in years. This vacuum that I bought off from Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy. If you guys have not seen or heard of him, check out his channel, subscribe to him, and give him a like and comment. And the reason why I bought this is because the button to the power switch was broke. So what I did, I swapped the button to the power switch off the power lifter pet and put it on this one, and it works. So yeah, it works good now. So it was on to the on position, so it's off so y'all can see it works now. So yeah, I got it working. So yeah, so I thank to Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy for shipping me this vacuum, and also shipping me the motor to the Hoover 110 T series bag. So y'all can see. Go ahead and do this review. It's missing the height adjustment setting. So you got 7 height adjustments. Go from bare floor, low to high pile carpet. Got the Hoover wide path cleaning. So let me show you guys the bottom. This one's a little loose. Got the wooden brush roll right here. You also got the headlight, and this base right here, it is cracked, so I don't know why. And right here on the side you have a HEPA filter, so you just push this button, and here's this filter. It's a little bit dirty. It almost looks brand new, but who knows. And then just put this on the side. And you also got your foot release right here. So, release. And like I said, here's your on and off switch. And you got this cord rewind. The reason why it's called rewind, so just pull this cord. When you're all done, you push this. Put this button right here, and right here is the dart cup to release. You just push this button and it release, and this is where you empty by pushing this black button, and it comes out. And yeah, this one's broke, so I'll probably work on this. You got this airflow indicator, which tells you that it's time to wash your filter or if there's any clogs. So, and right here you got the cyclone filter. So, and crap, if I could get it in. All right. Just give me one sec. Sorry about that. I had to put this part in, and I had to put the put this one back in too. So, and then you just put this dart cup back on, and the tools is missing. It's missing the turbo brush, and it's missing the upholstery tool and a crevice tool, and you got the hose, so which apparently is not that long. So and then you snaps in place, and then you got the cord clip right here on top. And without further ado, go ahead and undo the cord. know why they don't put the yellow and red sticker on one of these, but so yeah, there's supposed to be a yellow sticker and a red sticker on these cords, but so well, who would have thought of that? So without any further ado, I will go ahead and do a demonstration. As y'all can see, this vacuum smells pretty good, and the switch is working. So I got the switch working. So hope y'all enjoyed this video of the review of the Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewind. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.